Pieter Timotheus Tim de Zeeuw is a Dutch astronomer specializing in the formation, structure and dynamics of galaxies. He was educated at Leiden, gaining a degree in mathematics in 1976 and one in astronomy in 1977. He graduated from Leiden with a PhD in astronomy in 1984. After stints in the USA at the Institute for Advanced Study in Princeton and at Caltech, he returned to the Netherlands in 1990 to become Professor of Theoretical Astronomy at Leiden. In 2003, he was appointed the Scientific Director of Leiden Observatory, and since September 2007, he has been the Director General of VSO. In 2010, he was awarded the Brouwer Award by the Division on Dynamical Astronomy of the American Astronomical Society. He is married to astronomer Ewen van de Schuik. Academic background: he received a degree in mathematics from Leiden University, the Netherlands, in 1976, and one in astronomy in 1977. He graduated with a PhD in astronomy from the same university in 1984. From 1984, he worked in the USA, first as a long-term member at the Institute for Advanced Study in Princeton, then, from 1988, as a senior research fellow at the California Institute of Technology. Professional activities: he came back to the Netherlands in 1990 to become Professor of Theoretical Astronomy at Leiden University. In 1993, he became the founding director of NOVA, the Netherlands Research School for Astronomy, which coordinates the graduate education and astronomical research at the 5 university astronomy institutes in the Netherlands. NOVA's mission is to train young astronomers at the highest international level and to carry out frontline astronomical research in the Netherlands. In particular, the NOVA program resulted in Dutch participation in the development of many VLTI instruments, the Band 9 ALMA receivers, in studies for EELT instruments, and in an instrument for the James Webb Space Telescope. In 2003, he was appointed Scientific Director of Leiden Observatory, a research institute in the College of Mathematics and Natural Sciences of Leiden University. Research: Tim de Zeeuw's research concentrates on the formation, structure and dynamics of galaxies, including our own, the Milky Way. In Leiden, he led a group active in the construction of state-of-the-art dynamical models for galaxies, and their comparison to high-quality photometric and spectroscopic observations, with the aim of establishing the properties of dark matter halos around galaxies, probing the supermassive nuclear black holes, measuring the kinematics and dynamics of the different stellar populations, and ultimately understanding the process of galaxy formation. A significant second line of research is the study of the origin, structure, and evolution of young stellar groups in the solar neighborhood. Trained as a theorist in stellar dynamics, he gradually expanded his research to include the analysis and interpretation of observations, and also became involved in the development of new instrumentation. In 1995, he initiated a project with R. Bacon and R. Davies to build Sauron, a panoramic integral field spectrograph for the 4.2-M William Herschel telescope. The Sauron collaboration led to follow-up projects studying galactic nuclei with the VLT, to the initiative to move the integral field spectrograph OASIS from the Canada-France-Hawaii telescope to the WHT and to equip the WHT with a laser guide star, to participation in studies for possible integral field units on the Hubble Space Telescope and JWST, and to participation in the development of MUSE for the VLT. Tim Zeeuw has authored 185 refereed papers and many other contributing papers. He has supervised the research projects of 25 master students and has guided the research of 60 graduate students and postdocs, many of whom now hold tenured positions in astronomy. He holds honorary doctorates from the Université Claude Bernard Lyon and the University of Chicago. Together with W. Van Saarloos and L. Pelletier, he co-founded the Lawrence Center, the International Center for Astronomy, Mathematics and Physics, in Leiden, and served on its steering committee for a decade. Tim Zeeuw served on the HSD Time Allocation Committee, chaired the Space Telescope Institute Council for 4 years and also served on the board of directors of the US-based Association of Universities for Research in Astronomy. Between 2003 and 2006, he was a member of ESO's governing body, the Council, and chaired the Council's Scientific Strategy Working Group. In this capacity, he contributed to the development of ESO's strategic goals in 2004 and to changes in the ESO committee structure, including the new terms of reference for the SDC in OPC. He was the principal author of a report to Council outlining 3 scenarios for ESO's future role in European astronomy. In 2006-07, he chaired the Science Vision Working Group set up by ESDRO and ET, an ERA-net activity funded by the European Commission and set up by funding agencies in Europe. The Science Vision Working Group established a global European science vision for astronomy for the next 20 years. Other affiliations and honors: RAS Group Award for the Sauron Team, 2013. Brower Award of the Dynamical Division at the American Astronomical Society, 2009. Honorary Fellow of the Royal Astronomical Society, 2007. Dr. S.C. University of Chicago, 2007. Elected member of the Royal Netherlands Academy of Arts and Sciences, 2006. Asteroid 10970 named Zeeuw by the International Astronomical Union, 2006. Dr. S.C. Université Claude Bernard Lyon I, 2003. France, Netherlands Prix Descartes Huygens, 2001. Grub Parsons Lecturer, University of Durham, 2000. Visiting Associate, Australian National University, 1995, 1998, 2000. Visiting Associate, California Institute of Technology, 1995. Visiting Scientist, Institute for Advanced Study, 1989 to 1998. Harvard College Observatory Research Associate, 1984 to 1987.